What's up guys, welcome back to another tutorial, and today we're going to learn how to draw Dragon Ball Z eyes properly. First we'll start with two lines, and at the intersection of the lines we're going to draw the crease between his eyes. If he was further away, we'd directly attach his eyebrow to the crease, but since it's a close-up shot, we're going to draw it separately. We'll draw a short line before we get to the curve of the eyelid. Now for the inside of the eye we'll draw a short line. And for the outside of the eye, we'll draw right up to that X that we drew initially, and we'll curve inward. For the eyebrow, we'll draw a hook at the beginning and the end. The end of the eyebrow is going to start wide, and it's going to gradually get shorter. The top of the eyebrow will go past the eyeball before it hooks upward. If you're right-handed like me, it'll be difficult to draw the left eye, so it would be a good idea to draw some guidelines connecting the two sides. That way the eyes are level with each other. It's also a really good idea to rotate the paper, since you can give yourself a more natural angle to draw from. Alright, for the lines beneath the eyes, we're first going to draw a single line going across, and we're actually going to make it a little bit curved. Now that we get the direction right, we can draw the three lines beneath his eyes properly. So 1, 2, 3. And they're all going to be connected just like that, going in the same direction. And the same thing on the other side. And now we'll just add 2 extra hairs outside of his eyebrows on each side, and we're done. Thank you so much for watching this video. If this was helpful to you or you enjoyed it, please let me know. I'd be happy to make more videos like this in the future. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.